Assalamu alaikum. I am Mizanur Rahman, Sector 4 branch. Today I will take business class. Okay, welcome to online class. Okay, my dear student, let's start today's lesson. Okay, today our chapter is 11th chapter, lesson 4. Already we have done lots of time, so everybody study properly, because our GSC exam will be start maybe from February. That's why everybody lesson properly. Okay, today's our chapter 11, lesson 4, very important chapter. Lesson for Sautal ethnic group. In this lesson I have divided 4 parts. Before starting, I want to again tell chapter 11, lesson 4, OCW 25 and page number 132. Lesson name is Sautals. This lesson I have divided 4 parts. How many parts? 4 parts. First one is residence area. Second one is social life, residence area, social life, economic life, religious life, and cultural life. I have divided how many part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 part. If you divided, when you will study, if you divided like this 5 part, it will easy for you to memorize. Okay, first on residence area, I mean that Sautal, the ethnic group people where they live in Bangladesh, that is called residence area. Sautal are one of the main majority ethnic groups living in the northwestern part of Bangladesh. I mean that they live in northwestern part of Bangladesh. They live in districts of Rajshahi, Dinajpur, Rangpur, Bogura. But they came from West Bengal, Bihar, and other parts of India. I mean that at the from the primary stage they live in India, and they came from India in Bangladesh, and they live in Rajshahi, Dinajpur, Rangpur, and Bogura. Okay. Now some characteristic of Sautal. I have written the residence area, northwestern part of Bangladesh, Rajshahi, Rangpur, Dinajpur, Bogura, and came in Bangladesh from the West Bengal, Bihar, and some other parts of India. And now some characteristic of Sautal. The color of their body is black. They are medium height. Their hair is black, a little bit curled. Okay, this is the characteristic and a living area or residence area. Now, social life. The first characteristic of social life, family is patriarchal. I mean that father is the head. Another social life characteristic, the main pillar of Sautal society is village panchayat. there are 5 important persons to run the panchayat. How many person? 5 important person to run the panchayat. I mean that village panchayat are made by 5 person. These 5 person conduct the village panchayat. Okay, we get from this what we get from this: social life, first on patriarchal family, Sautal family is patriarchal, and the main pillar of Sautal society is village panchayat, and there are 5 important persons to run the village panchayat. Okay, now economic life. Okay, what is economic life? How they conduct the economic life, or what are the characteristics of economic life? Agriculture is the main livelihood of Sautal. Agriculture is the main livelihood of Sautal. They cultivate rice, mustard seed, tobacco, sugarcane, etc. etc. Besides, they prepare different type of mat, bamboo, broom with bamboo, cane, shell, etc. These are the economics life of Sautal. Again, I will tell agriculture is the main livelihood of Sautal. They work mainly as agriculture workers in the Great Rajshahi, Rangpur, Dinajpur districts, and they cultivate rice, mustard seed, tobacco, sugarcane, and other crops. Besides, they prepare different types of mat, broom with bamboo, cane, shell, etc. Now, religious life. Okay, they Sautal are the followers of two religion. The Sautal people followers how many religion? Two religion. First one Hindu, and second one is Christian. Okay, my dear student, how many religious they follow? Two religious. It is very important question. It will come in exam. Two religion, Hindu religion and Christian religion. Okay, these are the religious part of Sautal. Now, cultural life. Okay, cultural life. First one, rice is the staple food of the Sautal. Main food of Sautal. Sautals generally live in at the house. The wall of the house is made of earth and a roof is made of straw. Okay, they celebrate different festivals. Among the festivals of the Sautals, very famous festivals, Zhumur dance is a mentionable program of their culture. Dan and Jikka dance are arranged at the marriage festival of the Sautals. Okay, there are two types of dance. One is Zhumur dance, mentionable program in culture, and second one is Dan and Jikka dance are the arranged in marriage festivals. Okay, now the characteristic of Sautal people, what type of dress they are wearing and what type of ornaments they are wearing. First on, Sautal girls put on sari. The male Sautals put on lungi. The Sautals are very fond of ornaments. The Sautal people, they are very much fond of ornaments. The girls use ornament made of either bronze, bronze or nickel in their hands and neck. Many male Sautals also use ornament. Some of the male person use garlands in the neck and bala also in the hand. These are the characteristic of Sautal people. Now the education side of Sautal, the percentage of educated people of the Sautal society is very poor. Actually, they came from India. The people of the Sautal are not standard educated. Percentage is very poor educated person people. But recently, the children of Sautal families have become interested in institution education. The Sautal revolt that happened in 1855 AD. This is very much important question. Student, please memorize it. The Sautal Revolution, when Sautal Revolution was held, 1855 AD, is a significant historic incident of the subcontinent. The pioneers of this revolt are two brothers, Sidhu and Kanu. These are the important part of Sautal. Okay, again I will recall first on residence area of Sautal, where they live in Bangladesh, northwestern part of Bangladesh like Rajshahi, Dinajpur, Rangpur, Bogura, and came from India, Western Bengal, Bihar, Western Bengal and Bihar, came from outside of Bangladesh. Second one is social life. Actually, the family structure of Sautal family is patriarchal family. The main pillar of Sautal society is village panchayat. The panchayat formed by 5 members. Important 5 persons are made the village panchayat. Economic life, agriculture is the first main livelihood of Sautals. They cultivate rice, mustard seed, tobacco, etc. Besides, they prepare also different types of mat, broom with bamboo, cane, shal leaf, etc. Now, the religious life of Sautal, actually the Sautal peoples are the followers of 2 religions. First one is Hindu and second one is Christian. Question will come, which ethnic group follows 2 religion? Does follow 2 religion? Sautal. Second one is cultural life. The main food of Sautals, rice. It is memorized, and they celebrate different types of program. Among the program, Zumur dance is very popular. Dan and Jikka also they arrange in marriage festival of Sautal. Now the Sautal girls put on sari. Sautals put lungi, male Sautals. The Sautals are very fond of ornaments, etc. The percentage of educated people of Sautal is very poor. Recently they are going to educated, and Sautal Revolution is which year? 1855 AD. A significant historic incident of subcontinent. The pioneers of this revolt, 2 brothers, Sidhu and Kanu. Okay, these are the important part of your lesson. Now HW. Please everybody do the HW. First question, explain about the social life of Sautals. Second one is, Explain about the religious life of Sautals. Explain about cultural life of Sautal. Okay, these are the important topics, important part, and these are the homework. Okay, please do it properly. Assalamu alaikum, goodbye.